Keep me where the stars are found. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. Hey guys, so if you want to know how I achieved this galaxy inspired eye look, then just keep on watching. So I'm starting off by taking the Beauty Glazed Impressed You palette, and I'm grabbing a transition shade from there and just applying that all over the lids. And now I'm taking a darker brown shade from that palette and just packing on the outer corners of my eyes and blending it out. And now I'm taking a lighter black shade and I'm just packing that on the lids and blending it out as well. And now I'm grabbing the darkest black shade in the palette and I'm packing that on the outer corners of my eyes and then blending it out. You want to make sure you're blending these black shadows the best you possibly can. And now I'm just going in with a little bit of extra black shadow and I'm blending that out just to kind of intensify the look and also darken it up. And now I'm going in with some Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and I'm just using a bigger packing brush to cut the crease. I'm using this bigger brush just to kind of place the concealer on my lid. That way I'm grabbing as much concealer as possible so the shadow won't smudge with the concealer. And then I'm going in and taking a smaller brush and just kind of making sure it's precise. And now I'm going in with the Boss Bitch palette, and I'm just taking the shade Boss, and I'm applying that to the inner corner of my eye. I really love this shade. It just kind of has like bluish and silver undertones to it, which I think is perfect for this look. And I'm going in with a purple shade from the Beauty Glazed palette and just packing that on the center of my eye. And then I'm taking a blue shade as well and I'm packing that right over the purple shade. And now I'm going in with a little more of the eyeshadow from the Boss Bitch palette and I'm just blending it all together. And now I'm taking the Laura Geller Life Glows On Illuminator palette and I'm taking the shade Opal Crush, which has like purple and pinkish undertones to it. So it just makes it perfect for this look and it adds a major pop. And I'm just building that up. And now I'm taking a little more black shadow and just blending all of it together and deepening up the shadow as well. above the cut crease. And now I'm taking some Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Shadow in the shade Bronze Belle, and right where I left the line for my cut crease is where I'm going to apply the line of glitter. And now I'm just going in with some more concealer and I'm cleaning up the eyeshadow. I'm preparing for some liner. So I'm taking the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Gel Eyeliner and I'm just applying that with an angled liner brush. And I'm making a pretty bold and dramatic wing. And now I'm going in with a bit of Wet n Wild Mega Liner. This is the liquid liner, and I'm just kind of outlining the wing and making sure it's as precise and sharp as possible. And then I'm just taking some concealer and cleaning it up. And I'm applying a bit more black shadow just to make sure it's as dark as I want it to be. Then I'm taking some Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Shadow, and this is the shade Gold Goddess, and I'm just applying that right under the wing. And now I'm taking a glitter liner that I got off Amazon. I have no idea what the name of it is, but I'm just kind of applying little dots all where the black shadow is. And now I'm just using my nail and kind of smudging it a bit, and then I'm taking some black shadow and going over it as well, just to kind of make it a little less intense and more star-like. And then I'm taking the Beauty Glaze Pressed Glitter palette, and I'm applying a couple different shades of glitter with a little liner brush, and I'm just kind of using the same dotting motion. You want to be careful not to pick up too much on your brush either. It's pretty easy to get carried away with it, as you can see. And now I'm taking a bit more black shadow and applying that right over where I cut my crease just to add a little bit of dimension. And now I'm curling my lashes to prep them for some mascara. And I'm just applying some Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. And then I'm applying my favorite lashes at the moment, Cocoa Lashes in the style Amore. And I'm adding a bit more mascara just to blend my natural lashes and the falsies. And now I'm taking the same transition shade I used from the Beauty Glaze palette in the beginning, and I'm applying that under my eyes on my lower lash line. And then I'm taking the darker brown shade as well. And now I'm taking some of the black shadow and applying that right on my lash line, but only on the outer and inner corners of my eyes, and I'm leaving a little gap in the center. And now in that little gap that I left, I'm applying the purple and blue shades that I used on my lids. And now I'm applying some of that Opal Crush shade from the Laura Geller highlighting palette right in the center as well, just to kind of give that pop. And I'm using some Milani Supreme Kohl Kajal eyeliner to line my waterline. And then I'm using some Maybelline The Falsies mascara on my lower lashes. And now I'm just taking the Morphe 35F palette and I'm using the brightest highlighting shade in the palette and applying that to my inner corners and brow bone. And now I'm taking the Laura Geller palette again and I'm taking the shade Diamond Dust and applying that on top of where I put the Morphe highlighting shade just to make it pop even more. And then I'm applying the shade Opal Crush as a highlighter because that's actually what it's meant for. It's not meant for eyeshadow, but it obviously has a very purpley pink tone to it, which I thought was perfect for this look considering it's galaxy inspired. And now I'm taking the Ciate London Glitter Flip lipstick and I'm applying that. This is the shade Infamous, and when you press your lips together it creates a glitter lip, which is really awesome. But anyways guys, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to check out some of my other videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.